This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits for a 10-month-old baby. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 ripe banana. Make sure all ingredients are fresh and suitable for your little one's diet. This recipe focuses on natural sweetness and soft textures, perfect for tiny hands and developing gums. We're aiming for a healthy and delicious treat. Now, let's get mixing. Start by mashing 1 ripe banana until it's very smooth. Then, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and add it to the mashed banana, mixing well. Gradually incorporate 1 cup of whole wheat flour, stirring until a soft, pliable dough forms. If the dough is too sticky, add a tiny bit more flour. This dough should be easy to handle for shaping. Time to bake. Lightly flour your surface and roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Use a small cookie cutter, or even a knife, to create baby-friendly shapes. Think small, easy-to-grasp pieces. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are lightly golden brown. Let them cool completely before serving. Once cooled, these soft, homemade biscuits are ready for your little one. Always supervise your baby while they enjoy their treat. For storage, place any leftover biscuits in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze them for longer freshness. They make a wonderful, healthy snack. And hey, while you're making life easier in the kitchen, why not simplify your cleaning too? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.